Now, let me explain how to fix sound delays or glitches in CapCut on your phone, ensuring smooth video editing experiences. On your phone, let's start with the fact that when you apply various effects, as you can see here, issues may arise during editing. When you edit your videos, as you can see here, there may always be times when CapCut simply cannot handle it. It can struggle with the load if you spend too much time editing in CapCut, as you can see here. When editing, CapCut may struggle, or your phone might not keep up, so be careful. You should restart CapCut or your phone as well to ensure everything is cleared and works smoothly. To ensure everything works properly, you can also use the Clear Cache function in CapCut, as you can see here. Let's go to Clear Cache, and remember to delete it regularly for optimal performance, as you can see. In CapCut, there are always unnecessary fragments, and you should regularly clean them up to enhance performance and speed. After editing your video, go ahead and delete the cache for better performance, as you can see here. Now let's close background apps, which are those apps that are running and using up your phone's resources. Here I have Telegram, and you might have YouTube or Google, as you can see. Just close them all, and after that, everything will run smoothly, as you can see here, without any issues. Thank you all for watching this video. Wishing everyone good luck, and until next time, goodbye.